Paying employees in Xero Australia is a simple process, and today I'll walk you through each step. Firstly, log into your Xero account and navigate to the Payroll tab. If you haven't set up Payroll yet, you'll need to do so by entering your business and employee details, including tax information, pay rates, and payment schedules. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Once Payroll is set up, you can enter your employees' hours worked, leave taken, and any other relevant payroll information for the pay period. Review the payroll information to ensure accuracy, including employee hours, rates, and any deductions or allowances. After reviewing the payroll information, you can process the payroll by generating pay runs. Xero will calculate the amounts owed to each employee based on the information you've entered. Once you've reviewed the pay run and confirmed that everything is accurate, authorize the pay run to finalize the payroll processing. After authorizing the pay run, you can make payments to your employees using your chosen payment method. Xero integrates with various payment services such as bank transfers or third-party payment processes, allowing you to pay employees directly from Xero. Record the payments made to your employees in Xero to maintain accurate records for your payroll transactions. If you're required to contribute to your employees' superannuation funds, you can use Xero's SuperStream feature to pay super contributions directly from Xero.